subject for today's video started actually back in 2019 when I was a part of an Etsy store that was focused to produce high-end kitchen boards, develop some cutting board plans, and one of the best sellers back then was actually a knife holder made from olive wood with a walnut base. The Etsy store in question had around 6,000 plus sales, and I shipped in more than 80 countries all around the world, and I made like 2,000 or 3,000 different knife holders. So yes, I have a lot of experience in the knife holder making, and I know all the tips and tricks. The store does not exist anymore, unfortunately. What I was left with was a lot of magnets, some wood, a lot of ideas, and a will to start something new when the time is right. Here you see me assembling and turning around all the pieces that I had. There are scraps from Zebrano from various projects. The key is that you are focused on the grain, so when you're stacking the pieces together, it should look more natural, like the piece is made from one solid block, you know. The lines of the wood will match, you know, they will follow along, so in the end the look will be so much better. One of the knife holders that I designed back then was made from olive wood with a walnut feet, and the other one was with the stainless steel base. And I cannot believe how many questions and comments I got regarding the bases. They were asking me where did I buy them, how they are made, and so on. And in reality, they're fairly easy to make. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I make them. And the olive wood that I have on stock was already in my vacuum kiln, and I'm so proud to say that it belongs to my wife, that is from Dalmatia, and there is no better feeling than to have your own olive trees, which in the winter it gives you oil, and in the summer it gives you some lumber to make some beautiful knife holders. Here I'm drilling holes for the magnets that we're gonna be installed later. Magnetic strip is also a good choice, but from my experience, they're not strong enough. When I place the two magnets with some spacing in between, it gives you really strong holding force. It never happened that my knife holders didn't hold any knives. Well, it did happen a few times actually, but in the end it always comes down to the knives, because knives can be made from various metals and with huge or high concentration of stainless steel, which doesn't have magnetic properties. So in the end those knives hold a little less. but it only happened 2-3 times maybe. So in the end, I made the choice to go with the round magnets, and that gave me the best results so far. And here it is, the stainless steel base. In reality, it's made from like 2-3 different kinds of parts, some screw and some insert nuts. Here I'm drilling 2 holes that will be for the screws that will hold everything together in the end. But before I continue, I need to make this blade a little bit nicer. It is a raw stainless steel blade, and I really like that brushed finish that you can get with the stainless steel. So I'm gonna go to the belt sander and we're gonna make that beautiful brushed texture. The idea for this floating type of knife holder actually comes from my previous projects that I made several years ago actually. I made a floating coffee table and I used the same technique, and the video did quite well. It gained a few millions of views, and I decided to explore what else can be done. So I came up with a floating knife holder. Acrylic glass I will cut out on my laser, but you can do it on the table saw, and with some sanding you will have those fine edges. With some light sanding and oiling, of course, of all the wooden pieces, I will assemble those knife holders, and then we're gonna see those beautiful babies come to life. This is one of the cleanest, one of the safest, and also one of the best looking ways to store your knives. I was selling them to the knife makers, I was selling them to the boutique shops, and I was selling them to the everyday user, which they use knife holder on a daily basis. And it can be also a perfect gift for someone special. So if you are ever in the market for a custom-made, beautiful, like kitchen decor type knife holder, you know where to find me.